Hello. Hi, how are you? For today's video, we have got the quarterly box called BeKind. It's curated by Ellen DeGeneres. It comes with a brochure that tells us what's in there and a little bit about the items. I will say the paper is a different quality than the two prior boxes that I've gotten. So let's see what $55 gets you. First up is a handbag from Samara, and apparently this is something that was handcrafted specifically for this box. It is made from vegan leather. I'm looking at the size of it, about the size of my head. It has a, help me out here, Fatima. It has a simple little snap pop closure that sometimes wants to open and sometimes doesn't. 3 hours later, that was hard on my muzzle. You did some good fighting there, girl. So inside we have just an empty pouch. There's no zippered compartment or extra compartment inside. It does have a long strap on it, so it could be easily done as a crossbody bag. It has adjustments, so you can make the strap as long or as short as you need to. And let me get the brochure here and we can read up a little more on this item. It has a value of $135, and Samara is a leader in using materials like apple leather, recycled ocean plastics, and sustainable bamboo to create their cruelty-free, simple, and elegant bags. And they have a website, samarabags.com, if anyone is interested in it. From a company called Kickstrands, we get 2 sets of shoelaces, and these are fun. This is the first set. I like those. Those are fun colors. Yes, they certainly are. Now, the brochure says that each set is $10. Well, when I looked on the website, this said that it was only $7 for this set, but the other set we got was $10, so that's $17 if my math is correct. This is the other one. I like this bling on this one. Oh, is that not so much fun? And it says that they are from the company Wear Your Soul, and that is a brand born of self-expression, positivity, inclusivity, and love. And I think they're fun and they're great little laces. I'm looking forward to popping one of those into my tennis shoes for the summer. I was just a little kind of surprised that it says the value is $20, but really it's only $17. Now the next 2 items have me a little bit miffed. I received with my first box back in January, I received a free bonus, which was their game night box. I'm like, okay, hey, a free box. I did not do it as a video because it was related to games that required 3 or more people to play, and it just wasn't something, the games weren't something that we were interested in, so I just passed that along. to a charitable organization, figuring they can make good use of it. What has me slightly miffed is that now I've got 2 of the games in this box. Granted, the games box I got before was free. I'm certainly glad I didn't sign up for that subscription as well, because wouldn't that be a little bit of an aggravation to have paid now twice for the same set of games? That does sound a little fishy. That does. This one is from Dolphin Hat Games, has a retail of $10, and is Taco Cat Goat Cheese. I'm sure it's a cute little game. I'm not trying to knock the game. I'm just wondering about things. This is the other game. It is from a company called Play Monster and has a $25 retail value. It looks intriguing, but it does require 3 people to play it. I don't know. It's one of those, did the game box maybe not catch on? And now they have to get rid of the leftovers? Could be. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has decided her favorite items are the 2 pairs of shoelaces from Wear Your Soul. They look like fun. What did you like in the first half of the box? Comment down below. I want to know all the details. Tell me the T, tell me the 411. I want to know. And now, moving right along with this video. Next up is something from a company called Fill It Forward, and it has a $19 value. This is a water bottle to encourage everybody to drink more water, and it gives you some affirmation statements along the front. Be bold, be brave, be grateful, be hopeful, be present, be patient, be kind, to help get you through the day. And apparently this is made in the USA, dishwasher safe, holds carbonation, leak proof, PBA free, has a lifetime guarantee, and rinse it before you use it. And reading from the brochure, it says that Fill It Forward has diverted over 5 million single-use plastic bottles, and this cup panion bottle even helps to provide water to those in need. Apparently, there is an app that one can download, and every time you fill up your bottle, there's a sticker included in here. You put the sticker on the outside of your bottle. Every time you fill it up, you're supposed to go through the app, click the sticker, and that helps to, I guess, send water to different companies, or not companies, countries. Forgot my words there. But it helps to send water to those in need. Now, I did look up the app yesterday, and the reviews were not great. Apparently, the app has a lot of issues, from what I read in the App Store at least. It crashes a lot, it doesn't calculate correctly. So, I don't know. It does appear, though, that it is a free app. You do not have to pay for it. Next up, from a company called ALT Linen, is a very cute packaging of linen dish towels. And there are 2, so it's a set of 2 in here with a retail of $30. Now, I got 2 sets of 2, so I'm presuming that then means I got $60 worth of product. For a $55 box, I've got $60 in dish towels, which is fine with us. We can always put a good dish towel to use. Yes, I can always put a good dish towel to use. They are cotton, and I've unpackaged one of them. Let's get it up here so we can see what it looks like. Here we go. And the workmanship on these, the stitching all the way around looks neat and good. And I think it said, yes it did, ALT linen, 100% cotton, made in India. And Fatima, if you grab that side, I'll grab this side. As you can see, we are stretching it out here, and peekaboo. This is definitely a good sized dish towel, and it seems to be of good quality. And I have no problems with a plain white dish towel. I can always put a dish towel to use, whether it's in the kitchen or if it's eating something that might be messy and using it as a bib. You know, like I said, I can always put a dish towel to use. And the focus behind using dish towels instead of paper towels is that paper towels and toilet paper usage wipe out 94,000 trees every day. So, something to consider. And like I said, I can always find a use for a good dish towel. And last but not least, we have some different drink mixes for those that are of age. One can add rum, tequila, or vodka, as per the directions on the back of the package. Or for those that are not of age, or those that do not care to utilize alcohol, they can just make use of extra sparkling water in these beverages. Cute little idea. That came from a company called Craft Mix and has a value of $10 for that $3 set. I didn't look them up online, so I don't know if that was a sampler pack or how much a full size would actually cost, but cute little idea. It says that Craft Mix is low sugar and created using all natural vegan ingredients. In this half of the box, I think my two favorite items were the dish towels and the water bottle. I'm considering trying their app, but I don't know. What did you like in the second half of the box? Let me know, because I am that curious camel. That is what $55 gets you in a BeKind box for the summer. And I admit I am kind of scratching my head just a little bit. Now, granted, to be transparent, the box is $55, the shipping is $5, and where I live, I have to pay tax, so that's $4 and change, so that gets me all in for $64.26. But I'm trying to look at the box price itself, which was $55, and it's different from what was originally stated when I first signed up for my annual subscription. When I first signed up, it said you're going to get 11 to 12 or 10 to 12 items with a retail value around $600. Well, I added this up, and depending upon how you want to look at it, I've got somewhere between 8 to 11 items. And the retail is $277. That's a big stretch from $600. I don't know if this is a bait and switch that they're trying to pull, or if they're just not being as transparent as they could and should be for a change that perhaps had to be made. Maybe they put the games in here because maybe something that was supposed to show up didn't show up. I don't know. It does have me a little bit miffed and a little bit perplexed. And the other thing I thought was kind of strange, when I looked up BeKind on my laptop, it says that, well, actually on the laptop, it said that, you know, this is the box and this is the price, and if you sign an annual subscription, it's less than if you just paid quarterly. It did not mention the $600 value and the number of items that I saw when I first signed up, because believe you me, I wrote that down. Now, when I look it up on the iPad, it shows only the spring box, not the summer box, and it says that there are 9 items with a $540 value. And that could be accurate for the spring box. I just thought it was kind of strange that different modalities get different results. iPad versus HP laptop? Makes you wonder. What do you think? Yes, please, what do y'all think? Inquiring minds want to know. With that being said, I am going to hang on and do one more box. I'm going to do the winter box, at which time I will decide if I want to continue my subscription or stop. It looked like a neat idea, but I'm not quite sure what direction things are going. To be seen, to be determined, to be continued. Thank you for watching today's video, and consider subscribing to our channel. That's free. Like, comment, share, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Check out the description box down below, or check out a video popping up on the screen. We have fun adventures over here, and you don't want to miss out on any of those. Hope to see you soon.